You guys see my wife's glow? She glowing, y'all. Check that out.
The pregnancy glow?
No, they start. I know they do rough play. I don't like that joke.
Wait, every time I
If you love this woman, tell her not to joke with me. I don't want to see any pregnancy glow.
There is a stillness in the atmosphere.
Anyways, maybe I might just get this snip.
Let's go lay down.
That's it. I'm going to get the snip, guys. I'm going to get the snip. Okay. Shall see you later. I'm going, oh.
Come on now.
Okay. Goodbye.
Hi guys, how's everyone doing?
Hey guys, what's going on? How y'all doing? Welcome back to our channel. Okay, it's your boy Ayo here, and if you're new to the channel, I wonder where you have been all of these years. Okay, so make sure you subscribe to our channel, make sure you like this video, please. Okay, for premium content.
So right now I can't even see my makeup, I can't see anything, I just can see the sun is shining. I hope I don't look like Casper the ghost.
So I was supposed to be here with Ope and me, but unfortunately, as you can see, the passenger seat is empty. Okay, because Ope and me couldn't make it. Okay, so what I then thought of was, since we couldn't go together any longer, that we should have a date today. So I just messaged Ope and me and I said, listen baby, can you come and meet me in London Bridge?
So yes, I am going to meet Ayo. He just called me, he went out and he called me, he was like, get ready, meet me at London Bridge. I said, oh shit, this is the kind of spontaneity that I like.
She'll meet me there and then we'll have a date day, literally just go out to some of the places we used to go to when we were dating, you know, take you back memory lane and all of that. It'd be good for us, it'd also be good for you guys to see. Okay, so I'm looking forward to enjoying that time together with Ope and me.
So I'm at London Bridge now. I'm waiting for Ayo, who's just told me he's going to be 20 minutes late because he's stuck in traffic, as usual. But obviously I'm going to go and shop around and spend his money. In the meantime, I'll see what I can do. I'll go to Body Shop, I'll go to Accessorize and see what damage can be done.
Right now I'm standing in a corner. I see you from across the room. It's kinda crowded here, but I know you see me too. Everybody's singing, oh.
I'm reunited with my baby. Baby, do you notice anything different about me?
You shaved?
That's rude. That's very, very mean. Do you notice anything different?
Oh, your makeup. You hadn't done your makeup when I left.
Yeah, but anything else?
Your earrings.
Yeah.
Oh, I bought you these earrings.
No, well, you actually did, because in the time that I was just waiting for you, I just bought it now. The earrings and the necklace. Thank you. Love you.
You just bought the earrings and how many earrings and necklace do you want now? Seriously, how
But it
many?
looks cute though.
It's cute, but you have many like this.
I know, but this matching set is just cute. Like, it just
I
brings
don't know why
out.
you ladies are like this. You have one shoe. You have a red shoe already, but you want 6 red shoes.
No, there's different shades of red. There's
have
blood
so many.
red, there's tomato red, there's Ronald McDonald red. There's different types of red now.
Ronald McDonald's red.
Well, that's McDonald's red.
What is that?
Are you happy to see me?
Yeah, I actually saw some of our YouTube family.
Really?
Yeah, and I told them that I was coming to meet you.
Oh, how can you?
Yeah, it's always good when we go out like this.
Nice, even though there's always traffic.
I don't know what it is about you. It must be in the way you move. Just say you want me too. We've got nothing to lose. You're looking so old. You're looking so old. Now I'm moving closer to you, and it's getting dark in this room. Tell me what you wanna do. Baby, let me love you, let me love you. Let me
Okay,
love you.
so we're just in the shop. Okay, want to get some water.
But there's no
Water. But apparently there's scarcity of how can there be scarcity of water? I don't understand this country. Like in other beautiful countries, there's scarcity of fuel, scarcity of gas, scarcity of oil,
scarcity of jobs.
but not scarcity of jobs, but not scarcity of water. Like, so what are we gonna do now?
There's no water.
Okay, I'm just gonna get this Ribena. All right. That thing is just that's gonna make you thirsty, baby. You don't want that. I think you should get Ribena or Boost, or just get a Coke.
Boost. Wow, baby, you're encouraging me to get Coke?
You get Ribena
really
there.
sunny day. Today's really
Because the weather is so hot.
Because
Okay.
you don't normally encourage me to get Coke.
So what are you getting now?
Now I'm sticking with this.
Okay.
I'll get water further down the line. Last.
You guys see my wife's glow? She glowing, y'all. Check that out.
The pregnancy glow.
No, they start. No, they do rough play. Oh. I don't like that joke. Oh.
Wait, every time I
If
see
you love this woman, tell her not to joke with me. Oh. I don't want to see any pregnancy glow.
Oh, baby, this
Oh, see water.
But it's not. And I don't want us to carry
Oh yeah,
this
yeah, yeah.
bottle.
It's too big.
Even though my husband can carry this whole thing.
Man, guys, I actually have a bad toothache right now, and every time I eat, the pain actually increases. So I went to the dentist for the first time in my life yesterday.
Because no, and that one was even by force. Like
By force.
I booked the appointment. I said, no, you're going.
So when he booked the appointment for me, because I had been complaining of this ache for like 2 days now, and then guess what? My actual fear of going to the dentist. Why are you rubbing your something on me now?
Are you not my husband? So that
Come on.
anybody that goes past will know that.
I'm moving away and you're nearing me
Yes,
and
I'm
rubbing.
yours. I'm yours. You are mine.
So she booked the dentist appointment for me. I was reluctant to go, but obviously I've been in pain. And then I get to the dentist. What did they tell me? They tell me that I need an extraction. Like seriously, from where to where?
That's what happens when you go.
My
to the
first
dentist,
visit to the dentist, and you're telling me I need an extraction.
But that sounds normal because you've not been going to the dentist.
No, but obviously, and that's what I've been trying to avoid, because they would always find a problem.
No,
it's the same thing with the opticians. You go to the optician, you just tell them that you're having small, your blurry vision. They give you some
They give
thick
you
glasses.
spectacles.
In fact, as at the time I started using glasses, all I told them was, guys, I have recurring headaches. And they just put me on some really thick glasses.
No.
I've not recovered since then.
Baby,
since then, I've been increasing my
dentist-
prescription.
See, guys, you all already know me and the dentist. We have to be friends because I've always got teeth issues. And I've been telling Ayo, I was like, baby, go to the dentist, even if it's for checkup. So even if they see something small,
Why should I check up when I'm not having
Yeah,
any
but
issues?
now you've ended up with extraction because checkup.
I'm not going to have this extraction.
You are gonna have it. Baby.
So they now said, okay, for now, let them try antibiotics. So at the moment, I'm on antibiotics. Are you allowed to do the do when you're on antibiotics?
No, you're not.
That was a dumb mistake this morning. No.
No, you're annoying.
Seriously, I'm just thinking about it because obviously your system, your blood now has those things. No, and we need to Google it.
Stop being funny.
We actually need to Google
Okay,
it.
leave me alone there. Now you go loose.
No, seriously, guys, please let us know. Even though I would ask my brother afterwards. At least he's a doctor, he can tell us. Are you actually allowed to do the do when you're on antibiotics?
Fast when you're on antibiotics. Fast as well.
No. Is it not making sense? Because the antibiotics is going into your blood. And obviously, the do is body fluid.
And if
It's
you don't know
also
what
from
the
your
do
blood.
is, then you don't need to know.
Yeah.
You don't know what the do is. You don't need to know.
I'm telling you, this is where we took the picture now. Please, let's take the picture. Yes. I remember it's totally different, but we're going to take that picture. There's a before and after we're going to do. That day, I remember we came here after work.
I remember.
We had lunch or
and I
whatever.
had my curly hair.
Yes, you had the curly
I
hair.
remember.
Exactly.
I remember.
Exactly.
Wow.
So we're going to take a before and after. So 10 years ago was the last time we were actually here together like this. Okay, so we're going to take a before and after, and then we'll probably show you guys what that looks like as well.
I see you from across the room. It's kinda crowded here, but I know you see me too. Everybody's singing, oh, everybody's singing, oh. I don't know what it is about you. It must be in the way you move. Just say you want me to. We've got nothing to lose. You're looking so old. You're looking so old.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Have a nice day, guys.
You too.
And it's getting dark in this room. Tell me what you wanna do. Baby, let me love you, let me love you. Let me love you, let me love you. Baby, let me love you.
So let us take you to where we spent our first Valentine's. Okay?
yeah.
It's actually very special for me. Obviously, I was giving her the first Valentine's gift and literally proposing my love to her. That was February 2012. Okay, so over 10 years ago.
Do you remember what you
And
bought
we're
me?
taking it back.
Do you remember
I
what
bought you a bottle of perfume,
What perfume was it?
Vera Wang perfume,
What?
Love a Dose.
Good.
And then I bought you a shirt as well.
Yeah.
You know,
A purple shirt as well.
purple shirt.
When purple was my favorite
And
color.
a purple perfume, which is why purple is her favorite color. But you know, as a
I've changed it to orange.
She has changed it to orange. Come on now, check out that filter, y'all.
No, unfiltered filter. This is a natural glow.
Yeah, that's what I mean, like natural glow, man.
Natural
Like,
glow.
wow, the boy is so fine.
The girl is so
The
fine.
girl is so handsome.
Handsome. I knew you were gonna say that. You're so predictable, baby.
Well, baby, you're handsome now.
No, you too. You're pretty. You're a pretty boy.
I'm not a pretty boy. I remember when I was younger, they used to call me pretty boy, and I didn't like it. Anyway, guys, we are here. Okay.
Baby, sorry, I
This
just
is
got.
where.
This is the exact same spot.
Yeah.
This actually. This
This-
actual.
Yes. This is where our love started, ladies
When
and
I said,
gentlemen.
Ojo Milo Ju.
That was the first time I heard you speak Yoruba. You know, and it's not like you've spoken much Yoruba after then. But that was the first day I heard you speak Yoruba. You're like, baby, Ojo Milo Ju. You know, small Valentine's gift. But that's one thing I appreciate about this woman. She always appreciates even the little things, you know. At the time, I didn't have much, you know, I didn't have much going on for me. But she made me feel like, wow, you're a good guy.
Baby.
No, seriously, I didn't have much, but I was like, I want to show this girl that, you know, I love her and, you know, I'm serious about this relationship. Obviously, she had heard many nice things about me. So I had to kind of just make her know that, listen, man, you know, you've got my heart, innit? And then we sat down here and I was like, you know what, yeah, I've got a gift for you, you know. I've got something little, you know.
little
got something little for you, you know.
But and the thing is, I
but
didn't
sorry,
have a
no, you
gift.
didn't get me anything.
Yeah, I know. Because I didn't know if you were serious then.
She
so I
didn't
was
get me
like-
anything, you know, and I was just like,
I didn't know if you
but
were...
I'm not a gifts person, so I didn't even feel any way about it.
Ayo says he's not a gifts person. Let me tell you what Ayo does. He'll go past somewhere like, baby, let me show you something just in case you want to get me a gift. Excuse me? Excuse me?
I only do that for my perfumes. And you've seen my new one. Okay, you've seen my new one. Okay, so I always make up when me get me all my perfumes. Yeah, so I feel like it's been a really fantastic day.
It has. It has, guys, and more than one person has, more than two people, sorry, have complimented. So that means two people, basically. Two random people have complimented me about my
About your glow, isn't it?
And these are not like doodles that actually know that, you know, we're beautiful, but melanin, but actual an Asian lady and a white lady as well.
Yeah.
They were like, oh my God, your glow. I said, yeah, baby, it's that melanin, yo.
10 years,
10
y'all.
years.
10 years.
years.
Like, we've actually come a long way,
We've
baby.
come a long way. Glory to God.
We've come a long way by the grace of God. Okay, God
Thank
has
you,
kept
Jesus.
us. It's actually a long journey. So maybe we'll come back here in another 10
10
years.
years, isn't it?
You know, and we'll be doing the 20-year throwback.
Woo!
You know what I mean?
Guys, we were even looking, I think we're going to have to even put some of the pictures up. Like some of the pictures that we took around here.
Yeah.
And we try to relive them. More. We don't chop up. We don't blow.
Ayope
Literally.
is actually looking slimmer than she was 10 years ago.
No, don't gas me. Don't gas me.
No, you're looking slimmer now.
No.
Even me, man, I'm like, wow. I
How
never
did
knew I
this
was
happen?
actually this big. Oh.
Biggie. Can't you see?
I'm actually a robot, man. But there's nothing that a little diet can't fix, you know, a little gym and exercise, you know what I mean? So, you know, I'm about to hit the gym like 3 times a week, you know.
Make it 4.
Oh my days.
Oh my God.
So, okay, what else? What else are we doing now?
I think we're just gonna soak it. Let's go and have a riverboat ride, baby.
No, I'm not doing that riverboat.
You
ride.
did fear.
Oh,
You did fear.
I'm not like you now. These things are normal for us. Yeah. So I think maybe we will just end the vlog here actually. And
We gotta go back to reality now.
Go back to
10 years on, there's 3 kids at home. We gotta go back and face. I think we should even do a footage of when we enter the house. Where have you been?
We've been waiting for you all day.
All day.
You and Daddy went to have fun, and then Mariah will just start crawling to you and crying. Oh my God, there's this attachment between Mariah and Ope. It is actually unbelievable.
Honestly.
You know, I was gonna say I need to break it, but why should I do that?
Why should I break it? You can only break it with another child.
Please, I don't like these jokes. Stop. I don't like, seriously, because that's how you be putting it in the atmosphere, and then the angels that give babies will now collide and say, let us answer this one. I don't like it. Seriously, you keep making jokes about this, but you can't keep putting it in the atmosphere.
There is a stillness in the atmosphere.
Anyways, maybe I might just get this snip.
Let's go lay down.
That's it. I'm going to get the snip, guys. I'm going to get the snip. Okay. Shall see you later. I'm going home.
Come on now.
Okay. Goodbye. Hallelujah. 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 We praise your name. Take it up, say, oh, hallelujah. 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 We praise your name. Take it up, say, oh, hallelujah. 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 We praise your name. One more time, say, oh, hallelujah. We praise your name.
Ọpẹ́lọ́ yẹmi ojoojúmọ́ ni màá ṣọpẹ́ fún ìfẹ́ tèmi ọ̀rẹ́ mi olólùfẹ́ mi ọpẹ́lọ́ yẹmi. Diamond girl, African baby, ọpẹ́lọ́ yẹmi. My banana